Now for a big question, are we living in a simulation?
We look into the famous debate, matrix or reality.
The article looks at what scientists and philosophers have to say about it. Is our universe just a giant computer program? It explores the evidence and the arguments, and it might just change how you see the world around you.
Hello and welcome back to the ENTECH magazine, February 2026 issue.
In this video, we highlight 10 stories from our new issue, featuring insights from leading researchers and industry experts. You can find the full articles and references at entechonline.com.
Let's switch to something tasty. We investigate exactly why toast tastes so much better than plain bread. The Maillard reaction explains the science behind it. It's a chemical reaction between amino acids and sugars that gives browned food its delicious flavor. This article is a fun mix of chemistry and cooking that explains why your breakfast smells so good.
Now we will visit our time capsule. The issue lists major scientific events that happened in February. We travel back to February 8, 1834, the birthday of Dmitri Mendeleev, the genius who created the periodic table of elements. Leonard Keeler tests the first polygraph machine on February 2, 1935. From major space missions to breakthrough scientific discoveries, this list highlights the important milestones that happened this month. It's a great reminder that science is built on the achievements of the past.
Want to build a robot? It's easier than you think. The article Robotics for Beginners has great news. It explains how artificial intelligence is changing the game. New AI tools can generate code and help you design parts, making robotics accessible to everyone. You no longer need to be a coding expert to get started.
We have an inspiring career story. A former student volunteer shares her journey from Pune to becoming a technical program manager at Google. She talks about the power of networking and community.
It wasn't just about writing code. It was about connecting with people.
Her story proves that your path to a top tech job might not be a straight line, and that stepping out of your comfort zone can lead to amazing opportunities.
Looking ahead to 2030, we discuss systems thinking and AI prompting. As AI gets better, the skill of the future isn't just knowing facts, but understanding how different parts of a system connect. This is called the architect mindset. The article teaches you how to write better prompts for AI by thinking about the bigger picture, a key skill for the future workforce.
We explore AI decision support systems.
We all make choices every day, but what if a smart system could help you make better ones? This article explains how AI analyzes huge amounts of data to give advice in fields like medicine and business. It's not about robots taking over. It's about humans and machines working together to solve complex problems faster and more accurately.
If you are interested in a career in artificial intelligence, read about the AI research mindset. It's not just about knowing the math, it's about how you think. The article breaks down the skills you need, like curiosity, critical thinking, and the ability to ask the right questions. This is a must-read for anyone who wants to go beyond just using AI and start creating it.
In the world of IT, time is money. The piece on SLA priority management explains how companies handle urgent problems. That might sound technical, but it's really about how AI instantly decides which computer issues need to be fixed right now and which ones can wait. It's a fascinating look at the invisible systems that keep our digital world running smoothly.
For our curated app this month, we review Talking Points. This app is bridging the gap between teachers and families. It uses technology to translate messages instantly, so parents and teachers can communicate regardless of the language they speak at home. It's a great example of how tech can bring communities together and support student success. That's your February 2026 ENTECH magazine preview. We hope you enjoy reading these stories as much as we enjoyed putting them together. Remember, all these articles are available in detail at entechonline.com. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future science content. Don't forget to share it with friends who love science. Thanks for watching. See you next month.